I'm Dr. David Thomas. I'm a practicing psychotherapist with the Whitford Thomas Group in Tampa, Florida, here to discuss the signs and symptoms of depression in children. When we think about depression, it's important to remember that depression really is a disturbance of thought. Thought drives depression as far as all the negative mood states, anxiety, anger, and guilt. Depression is also caused by or created by thought. So if you want to change the depression, it's important for you to change the thinking that drives that. When we're looking at children with depression, understand that children up to about age 10 or 11 do not have formal thought or thinking developed at that point. So a lot of the work that we would do with children would be helping them with a lot of coping statements, trying to identify some of their sense of hopelessness or helplessness to help them better cope with whatever stressors they perceive to be in their life. With children, you tend to see with the depression, sleeping a lot, avoidance behaviors where they might create some stomach ailments and headaches and things of that sort to avoid doing certain things. Oftentimes with depression, you tend to see, as with adults, kind of a decreased sense of pleasure and enjoyment in activities and things that typically they would find extremely enjoyable and pleasant to participate in. Oftentimes with depression, you'll see children tend to eat a lot or tend to hoard food and hide food, again, mainly to comfort themselves, which oftentimes you see with childhood depression. Other symptoms or signs of childhood depression would be in mainly their sense that they're not going to be able to do better or produce in an achievement way. So oftentimes they tend to kind of give up hope. Childhood depression is a tough one. If you believe your child is depressed, I certainly encourage you to see your family physician or see a therapist. Hopefully this information has been helpful that I've provided to you regarding childhood depression, the signs and symptoms of childhood depression. From Tampa, Florida, I'm Dr. David Thomas.